What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video how I make over 800 ClickBank commission with Google Ads. It's my real life case study. Now I want to show some of my results. You see here, this is my ClickBank commission. You see here. Now it's my trump card. I promote this product and make ClickBank commission, and it's my Google Ads results. You see here, I get 84 clicks, 1400 impression, and here is my total cost. Okay, now if you want to say my overall result, then let me show it. Okay, custom range January 1. Okay, now see here, it's the Kibo code, and here's the result of Kibo code. Okay, here is the all the clicks, 112 clicks, and all the results. You see here, 3,434 USD that I make on ClickBank using these simple tricks. Now I will show you everything step by step in this video. Okay, so guys, let's complete this tutorial. Don't miss any part of this tutorial. And few days ago I made this tutorial about how I promote ClickBank products with Google Ads. If you miss any part of this tutorial, then you can complete this tutorial right now today and get the tricks, get the idea, get all the process that you can make ClickBank commission with Google Ads. Okay guys, now in this tutorial you will get how to create an ClickBank account. Okay fine, how to get affiliate links to promote ClickBank products, how to write and high converting review, and how to set up Google Ads and get free traffic from Google Ads. Everything I will show you in this tutorial. So guys, I'm Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of ClickBank, JBJu, and many other affiliate networks, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years, over 9 years. Okay, now fast thing is fast. If you fast inside my YouTube channel, and if you see here a lot of money making opportunities, so if you fast inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the fast viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel, you can see it. So if you are a beginner and if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, on my online marketing journey, then you can check all the money making opportunities and get the best result. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my video description. You see here, check my video description, a lot of money making opportunities here, or check my number on recommendation. Okay guys, now I will show you everything how you can promote ClickBank products using Google Ads. Okay, so at the first you have to create your ClickBank account. Okay, you see here, you can free join on ClickBank. At first you have to put your country name, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, password, and click here all the term and condition and join ClickBank. It's simple, and within 48 hours you can get approval and you can able to promote all the ClickBank products. Okay, after creating your ClickBank account, you have to choose your best product and get your affiliate link to promote. Okay, you see here, I make ClickBank commission using this product, but it doesn't matter. You have to promote this ClickBank offer, ClickBank product. You can choose any other ClickBank products and you can get the same result or a more better result. Okay, so you don't need to promote these products, and a lot of, you see here, a lot of products available on ClickBank and you can promote the best offer. Right now you see here, if you check the ClickBank marketplace, you see all the categories here. You see all the categories here, and go here e-business and e-marketing, and you see all the top product of e-business and e-marketing. So you can choose any of this product and run Google Ads. Okay, right now this is a new product, brand new version 3, and you can promote it. Then you can promote this 12-minute affiliate system. Okay, then you can promote Click Wealth system, you can promote it. Then you can promote this product too. So a lot of products inside this ClickBank marketplace, so you can choose any of this product or you can choose this Kibo code. And when you choose your targeted product, then click just promote and generate your hope link. Okay, it's your affiliate link and you have to promote this link using Google Ads. Okay, now how to write high converting review, it's the key point. Okay, if you can write high converting review of any product, then you can make sales. Otherwise you can get traffic, you can get click, but you don't make any sales. So you have to write an converting review. And if you check my YouTube channel, then you can get, where is this, you see here, it's another video, and I will put all the video link in the description. You see
Every
here,
day you use a number of tools to communicate with your clients, co-workers, and business partners. Wouldn't it be
how to write a high converting product review. Okay, you can watch this video and get the best idea how to write a high converting review. But in this video I will discuss all the methods, all the key points of writing an high converting review. I will discuss in this video. So guys, let's complete. If you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I will solve your question, I will solve your problem. Okay, so how to write an high converting review, it's my review, this Kibo code quantum review, you see here. You see, okay, now see all the key points how to write an high converting review. Okay, at the first you have to put your introduction. Okay, what is about this product. At the first you have to write into your review, then introduce the vendor. Okay, when you promote a product, then obviously you must choose a best product or best vendor, so you have to introduce your vendor. Okay, then how this software or training program or product works, you have to describe in your review. Okay, then all the features that will get the customer, you have to disclose all the features of this product or software. Then what you get inside the product or training, you have to disclose it. Then the traffic system, how this training, how this or this software drive traffic for you, for your customer. Okay, you have to disclose it. Then how to make money, that means the shortcut system of this product, of this training, that it may be a you see here, this Kibo code works for e-business or e-commerce, okay, with Facebook ads. Now you can disclose it. This training or this software works for uh, this type of task, and they generate traffic by this way, and you can make money by this way. Okay, then does it worth to buy or not? Suppose this product is a expensive product, I disclose it because it's the value of this product is 3000 or 3400, over 400. Okay, so you have to disclose it, or to buy or not. As a beginner, I don't recommend to buy this type of highly expensive products. Okay, so you have to disclose all this into your review. Okay, then the funnel details, if this product have any other upsell, upgrade, auto, you have to disclose it. Okay, and the final opinion, what is your experience about this product. Okay, and if you get the review access of any product software, then it's the best way to write the best review. Okay, so guys, if you can include all the 10 points on your review, I hope you must get better result. Okay, now how to set up Google Ads, it's the key factor of traffic. If you write a amazing review, if you choose the best product, it doesn't matter, it never generates sales for you. You have to get traffic for making sales, and by this way, this Google Ads, using this Google Ads, you can generate traffic in overnight fast, but you have to invest money. In this case, you have to invest money, and if you want to get free traffic, then you have to grow your traffic sources day by day. You can, if you search this review, this KiboCode quantum review, then you can see my post on ranked on Google. It may be 2 or 3 pages, but it doesn't matter. I get traffic 4, 5, 10 traffic per day. Okay, and if I get ranked more better position, then I get must I get more traffic. Okay, but if you can use Google Ads, if you invest on Google Ads, then you can get fast traffic. Okay, you don't need to wait for getting traffic. Now I will show you how you can set up Google Ads, how you can run your Google Ads campaign, everything. So guys, don't miss this important part, it's the most important part of this video. And if you have any question about in this part, please comment in the comment box, I will solve your problem. Okay, and most of the people asked me what's the budget. Okay, at first I want to disclose it. If you want to get tier 1 country clicks, such as USA, United Kingdom, uh, Australia, Canada, this type of countries click, then you have to invest more money. Okay, and for this you have to I suggest you make your budget 30 to 50 per day. Okay, if you can uh, increase your budget, then you can get more better result. But if you want to run ads, use spending $10 per day, I hope it will be a foolish decision. You can get better result, and in this case you don't need to run Google Ads. Okay, now I will show you how to set up Google Ads campaign and how to get traffic using Google Ads. Okay, at the first, create your Google Ads account like this. Now you have to start your campaign. Just click new campaign. Okay, now you can select any of this option, any of these three options. But in this case, when you want to direct sell anything, then you can choose the sell option, or you can choose website traffic. Okay, now click the website traffic. Okay, and which type of traffic you want to get. It's search traffic, display traffic, shopping, video, discovery. Okay, and in this case it's search traffic. Okay, now put your website address, and it's your review address. Okay, so at the first, select website traffic. Sorry, at the first you have to select website traffic, then search and put your review URL. Okay, now click continue. You have to choose, create your campaign name, keyboard code. Okay, you can put your product name, it doesn't matter. Now deselect this display network. Okay, here is the more setting, don't need to change anything. Then put your country, it's USA. Canada. Okay, you see here. Then here is any advanced option and put it. Okay, now your budget 30. Okay, in the case of bidding, here is on tricks. Select a bid strategy, click here, then choose manual CPC. Okay, it will decrease your cost, your spending. Okay, then save and continue. Now I want to repeat this page once again. At the first you have to put your campaign name, then deselect this display network, only search network, then put your country that you want to include, then here is the location option and select it, and here is your language, it's obviously English, and here is your budget 30 and 30 per day. Okay, mind it, 30 per day if you want to get more better result, minimum 30 per day. Now here is the bidding manual CPC, click save and continue. Here is the ad group name, it's your product name. Okay, okay, fine. Now here is the bid, it's important. If you want to get click on tier 1 country like USA, United Kingdom, Canada, then I suggest you to make your bid 70 cents. Okay, then per day you can get, if you make your budget 30, then bidding, setting this bidding 70 cents, you can get over 40 clicks per day. And if you can get over 40 clicks per day, I hope you must get sales. If you can write high converting review, and writing and high converting review, you can watch this tutorial. Where is this tutorial? this is how to write a high converting review, or I already said it, all the 10 key points. Okay, fine. Now you have to put your keywords. Copy it. And in the case of choosing keywords, I always prefer exactness. Okay, it drives more targeted traffic. Okay, in the case of selling, direct selling, I always prefer exactness. Okay, and when you want to generate leads, emails, then you can choose freshness or broadness. Okay, now you have to put exactness. Okay, this product, a scam, this product review, okay. You have to use this type of keywords when you want to run Google Ads and promote a review product. Okay, keyword code quantum review, keyword code quantum, this product name only, this product name a scam, this product name preview, this product name training program, this product name demo, this product name price. And if you want to get the best idea, then search on Google. Just put it. You see here, keyword code quantum price, website login, download, free download, legit review. Okay, you get the best idea. Now when you put your keywords, then you have to focus this on no traffic expected. Okay, when you see this, you can publish your ads, and for this you have to remove it, and you can easily remove it by putting this make money online keyword. You see here, you don't see reason, but mind it, when you put this keyword, it's not super targeted for your review. Okay, for this, after publishing your ads, visit the keywords and pause this keyword. Okay, I will show you how you can do it. Okay, now save and continue. Now you have to put your final URL first. You see here your final URL, and it's your review URL. Then it's the display URL. It will be your product name. Okay, keyword code quantum. Okay, review. Okay, fine. Now you have to add your headlines, and it's important. You see some of the suggested URL you see here, but keyword code quantum review. Okay, make it position on. Okay, make it position on. That means at the first your targeted customers show it. Okay, now does it or to buy. Okay, make it second, sorry, make it second. Then you see here, does it or to buy. KiboCode Quantum Review does it ought to buy. Okay. Then third, honest opinion. Now you see here the third option here is, sorry, make it position third. Now see here, KiboCode Review does it ought to buy honest opinion. That's it. Now for more better result, for more get search on Google, the more better position, you have to follow this ad strength. Okay, follow this ad strength, and if you want to increase your ad strength, you have to use more headlines. Okay, put here KiboCode Review. You can set honest, sorry, it over 30 or KiboCode Review best review. Okay, make position it on. Then you can does it scam or legit, make it position second. Okay, then ought to buy, ought to buy, already I use it. Then should I buy it, make it position second. You see here, and it's nice. You see here, it's average. When you see this average, that's enough for getting better result. Okay, now you have to add your description. Okay, KiboCode Quantum is expensive training program, content KiboCode review, summary of the KiboCode, my honest review and make right decision. You can write this type of description, and finally save and continue. If you have facing any problems, you see here, you are facing on problem and you have to solve this issue, click the, you see here, I am using this opinion, this, that means I have to cut it. It's a, you can't use this type of symbol. Okay, now save and continue. That's all right, and you can click publish and published your ad, and after publishing your ad, you have to pause this make money online keyword. Okay, and if you don't want to get mobile traffic, then you can decrease your mobile traffic. Now by publishing your ads, your task has been completed. Within 20 minutes you can get it's under a review right now, and within 20 minutes you can get approval, and after getting approval your ad will be run. And you see here, if you check my ads, it's KiboCode Quantum Review. You see here, it's my ads, and when you want to pause any keyword, then visit your ads first like this. Now visit, click here the keywords. You see all the keywords, and you see here I pause it, make money online. Okay, and if you want to pause any other keywords, then you can pause it, and it's all the keywords of my ads. Okay, and you see here, here is my bid 75 cent. And if you want to decrease the device traffic, in this case click the device, and you see here I decrease 90% of mobile traffic. That means I want only desktop or computer traffic. Okay, you see here, and you can edit it by here. So guys, that's it. It's all the complete tutorial to promote ClickBank products using Google Ads. Okay, and by this way I make this commission 858.68 cents. Okay, and it's all of my case study. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and if you like this video, then like this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. Follow all this complete tutorial and get the best result. Okay guys, and don't forget to like this video. See you soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye.